How's everybody doing today? Doing a real quick video here today, short and sweet. Just giving you a quick rundown of how to start your own sweet potato sets. I've had quite a few people ask me about that this spring, and I just wanted to show you how I do it. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. You take your sweet potato, preferably one you grew, so it can age over the winter. By this time in the year, you'll start to see little sprouts coming out, typically on one end of the sweet potato. You can do this with store-bought too. I've never done it from store-bought, but for my own. Once you start seeing some of those little sprouts, you don't even have to wait for that, but that's what I do. Cut the potato in half, take that top half, sit it in a dish of water, put it on a windowsill where it can get some sun, and within a week or so you'll start getting sprouts coming out. This has been sitting for quite a while. I've already pulled probably 12.5 or more sets off of this one, but it just keeps shooting new ones out. And once they don't have to get this big, they can only be 2 or 3 inches, but at that point take a sharp kitchen knife and just cut them right at the base. I'm doing this one-handed, so I can't do it too well, but just cut it right at the base of the potato. You can take a little hunk of the potato out if you want, just like that. From there, take that stem, drop it in a container of water, set that on your windowsill, and within a week or two you'll start to get roots coming off the bottom of that. And from there, just put them in your seed starter cups or whatever you want to use. And I typically like to let mine go for 2 or 3 weeks like this, so they can get a nice strong root system going before you plant them outside. And that's all there is to it. It's that simple. And that's just one more reason why sweet potatoes are an awesome prepper vegetable to grow. You can continually just keep doing this every year. You'll never run out. Take care, guys.